Hello students, welcome once more to online video class for class 8 computer studies. Today we are going to study about Google Drive, which is the part of this chapter more on networks, and this is the last topic of this chapter. So in today's session we will discuss what is Google Drive, how we can access Google Drive, using Google Drive how we can create new document, spreadsheet or presentation, how to create a new folder, how to upload a file, upload a folder using Google Drive, and how to share and organize files and folders in Google Drive. So starting the topic, Google Drive. Google Drive is a cloud-based storage service that allows us to create, save and share projects online with others. With Google Drive, you can create any type of documents such as Word documents, worksheets, or presentations. As I have told you, it is a cloud storage service provided by Google. In the last video, we had discussed about cloud computing. Using cloud computing, we can store our data in clouds. We can share our data from clouds to others. We can create documents or any type of file using softwares which are present on the clouds. So Google Drive is one example of cloud computing. So how we can access Google Drive? For accessing the Google Drive, first we need to open the website of Google, that is google.com, by typing the URL of google.com in the address bar of our browser software. When the web page of google.com appears, then first we need to click on the icon on the top right corner, which is in the shape of dotted square. So after clicking that icon, all the softwares which are available using Google will be available, like YouTube, Play Store, Gmail, Google Drive, Calendar, Maps. So here we need to click on the icon of Drive to access Google Drive. But we have a condition to use the Google Drive. We need to log in with the Google account. So if you don't have a Google account, first you need to create a Google account. Google account is nothing but creating a email in Google, that you can say Gmail. So if you have a Gmail account, then you can simply log in with your Gmail account by using Google ID and password. And if you don't have Google account or Gmail account, then you need to create it first to access the facilities provided by Google Drive. So after logging with your Google account, the page will look like this, which is displayed on the screen. We can get facilities of share with me, recent, Google Photos, bin, backups, computers, untitled folders. Now, how we can create a new document, spreadsheet or presentation using Google Drive. As you know, to create a new document, we need MS Word software. To create a spreadsheet, we need Excel software, and for presentation we need PowerPoint. So all these softwares are present in the MS Office package. So if this package is available in your computer, then you can create these type of files. But if you don't have these softwares available in your computer or in your smartphone, using a smartphone also we can access the Google Drive to create document, presentation and spreadsheet. So if you have not installed MS Office software in your computer or in your smartphone, then no problem. If you have Google Drive, then on the Google Drive itself you can create these documents because these softwares are available on the Google Drive. So to create a new document, spreadsheet or presentation, first we need to click on new button and then select either of these three softwares, which are Google Docs, Google Sheets and Google Slides. Google Docs is for creating Word document, Google Sheets for spreadsheet document like Excel, and Google Slide is for creating PowerPoint presentation. So we can select any one of them. These softwares are available under new menu inside the Google Drive. Now, how to upload a file or folder on the Google Drive? First, you need to know what is the meaning of upload and what is download. Actually, upload refers to the process of sending files from our device, which can be desktop, laptop, tablet or smartphone, on the server. It is known as upload. Means the data is copied from our device to the server. Data can be in any form like text document, picture files, audio files, video files. And download is the reverse process. In case of download, we copy the data from the server to our device. So here we are going to study how to upload file or folder from our device on the Google Drive, that is on the cloud. To upload your existing file or folder on Google Drive, you need to click on new button and then click on the option of file upload or folder upload. So after clicking this option, a dialog box will appear. From that box, you need to select the file or folder from your device which you want to upload. So this is the process of uploading. But for uploading any data, you need your device to be connected with internet. And depending on the speed of the internet, the data will be uploaded on the server of Google or Google Drive quickly or slowly. Now, how to share files or folders which are present in Google Drive to your relatives or friends. For that, first we need to open the file or folder which are present on the Google Drive. Then we need to right click on the file or folder that we want to share and select share option. After selecting share option, a dialog box will open. In that dialog box, we need to type the email address of the receiver to whom we want to share the particular file or folder. We have one more option. We can give access to the users whom we are sharing the files or folders. So that access can be in the form of edit, comment or view. If we give edit access, then users can make changes in the data that we have sent to them. If we give comment access, then they can give comment about that data, and view access means they can only see what is given to them. Now the next option which is available on the Google Drive is organizing the files. Organizing files or folders include these four options, like moving a file from one place to another place, renaming, copying and deleting. So these things can be done for a file or folder which is present on Google Drive. So for doing these things, we simply need to right click on the file or folder, then a dialog box will open, and from that dialog box we can select the option of rename, move, remove and copy option. So these are the facilities provided by Google Drive. Now you can access Google Drive not only using a laptop or desktop. Most of us have a smartphone with us, and the smartphones already use the Google ID. So most of the, not most of the, actually all the Android phone users, they log in with their smartphone with their Gmail account. So the persons who have already logged in with their Gmail account, they can access Google Drive. Once you log in with your Gmail account, Google Drive will provide you 15 GB storage space on its server. So that 15 GB storage space is enough for a normal user to store their data, to share the data. I hope whatever we have discussed today, it will be understood to you. Now this chapter is over. In the next video, I will tell you about the exercise problems, how to solve it. Till then, take care. Thank you.